मारे चप्पा चप्पा मारे पता नहीं
Please give a huge round of applause to our dignitary. Invited guests, parents, teachers, and all my dear students, a pleasant good afternoon to you all. Reach high, for the stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. Today is that we will remember in the year ahead. We are going to present another annual. So get ready to delve deeper into the fathoms of music and dance. And of our tiny toes will dazzle you. The perfect moves of our classical dancers will enthrall you. The thought-provoking skit of our children will heckle you. And the masti of our contemporary dancers will enliven your mood.
So get different languages, different cultures, different traditions, different colors, and so many differences. But all are human beings. Even a human is with different parts. Once upon a time, the parts of the body had it out. Who is the most important and most useful? Let us see. Yes, I am leg, a part of human body. I am the most important for human being because without me, they cannot walk, they cannot run, even they cannot move. No, your way of thinking is wrong. I, the hands. Without hand, how will be a person? Cannot imagine. With me, they can write, they embrace each other, they eat with me. So, I am the most important.
I am ear. People listen through me. Because of me, people enjoy the beautiful sounds present in the world. So I am the most important.
Okay. But you think if I am not breathing, then how can you live? I can smell everything. So I am the most important, useful for human being.
I agree. But without me, how can you see the thing? If eyes are brightened, the whole body is brightened. If eyes are darkness, the whole body in darkness. So I feel I am the most important.
What a funny thinking. I am head, the top of the body. If I am not functioning properly, everything is gone. My brain only discovered everything. All the development came in the world through me. Think about scientific world, mathematical theories, electronic communications, so many things. So you all are under me. I am the most important.
Oh yes, you are in the top. Your brain discovered everything. Well, you see, I pump blood to you all. I have connected with you all. If I stopped functioning, then for you, no existence at all. So, I am the most important.
Yes, the all parts of the body are important. As it is, there are many members yet. One body, the eyes, cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you, nor the head to the feet. God has arranged the body and He gave life to the body and it became a perfect human being. Union with God makes man perfect. Unity is His strength. God is our creator. When we live with God, we can do everything. The entire universe have existence only with God. Let us stay with God and involves in God.
As a tribute to God. Let us pray to give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony and ekta. Shri Mehdi Hussain Ansari, Shri Krishna Kumar Dwivedi, Shri Amrit Lal Prajapati, Srimati Ramrati Saket, Colonel Ajay Singh, Shri Ratan Kumar Somani, Shri Vishwanath Mukherjee, our school Sita, come forward to light the traditional lamp. Thank you everyone. Let's move forward. If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, then you are a leader. And we are very fortunate to have such personality with us. Yes, I am talking about our school manager, Reverend Father Anthony, who has always shown us the right path. I request you, Father, to please come on the stage and welcome our dignitaries.
The theme Ekata is expressed by performing program based on family, religion, nation, etc. Yes, it is the time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire, and to be inspired. It is honor to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of this gracious occasion. Let me enter into my duty. Amidst us, we have His Excellency, Right Reverend Dr. Mar Joseph Kottagalil, President of the function. He is the Bishop of Satna Diocese, which includes Singrauli district also. He is the leader of the church of this territory. Being the leader and head of this institution, you show motherly love, give fatherly confidence, your endless care, guidance and support prove that you are concerned on this institution. We are really blessed to have you. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, dear Bishop Ji. Principal Government High Secondary School Bargawa, Srimati Ramnadi Saket, Sarpanch Ongadi, Colonel Ajay Singh, Unit Head, JP Amelia North Coal Mine, Shri Ratan Kumar Samani, Unit Head Hindalco Industries Limited, Shri Vishwas Mukherjee, Senior VP HR Hindalco Industries. Your goodwill, appreciation, motivation, support and positive vibration has a great impact in molding ourselves for the integral dimension of the growth of this institution. In the name of all, remaining the fountain of the spiritual support, your concern and your accompaniment in our growth. With partnership and collaboration in all our endeavors, we treasure your love and concern towards your children's second home. Your esteemed presence amidst us today makes us feel proud. Welcome, dear parents. In one word, welcome dear teachers, non-teaching staffs and dear students. Or Ekbar, once again, we welcome you all. I remain, thank you.